Working with technical drawings from AutoSketch CAD software, SDK files contain vector drawings from this Autodesk-developed drafting application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, convert, and work with these AutoSketch drawing files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated SDK file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. SDK files are drawing files created by AutoSketch, a 2D drafting and technical drawing application developed by Autodesk for personal and small business use. They contain vector-based technical drawings with precise dimensions, including engineering plans, architectural sketches, mechanical diagrams, and other professional drafting work created in the AutoSketch environment. AutoSketch SDK. Drawing files use a vector format storing geometric primitives including lines, arcs, circles, polygons, and dimensions, with associated layer information, line styles, colors, and text annotations. The format supports CAD-specific features like coordinate-based drawing, precise dimensions, block references, and layer organization, similar to AutoCAD drawing files. When viewing the file metadata, the SDK shows a direct link to AutoSketch from Autodesk Inc. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows offers only minimal rendering, so complete inspection requires proper modeling applications. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your SDK file and choose Open With. Test AutoSketch first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If your SDK file will not open yet, do not panic. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your SDK file. First, opening in AutoSketch. Launch AutoSketch from Autodesk and use File then Open to load the SDK drawing file. The application displays the complete drawing with all geometry layers and annotations intact. Use AutoSketch's drawing tools to modify, add, or remove elements and save changes back to SDK format or export to other CAD formats for compatibility. Next, converting to DWG or DXF. Use AutoSketch's File then Save as function to convert SDK drawings to DWG or DXF formats, which are widely supported across the CAD industry. The DXF format particularly provides excellent compatibility with AutoCAD, LibreCAD, QCAD, and other drafting applications. Verify drawing accuracy after conversion to ensure dimensions and geometry transferred correctly. Finally, opening with alternative CAD software. Some CAD applications like AutoCAD or DraftSite may directly import SDK files through their import dialogs. Try opening the SDK file in AutoCAD using File then Open with all files filter selected. If direct import is not supported, use AutoSketch to first convert to DXF format, then import the converted file into your preferred CAD application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.